Hello, good day. Ang menu ko for today is fried chicken, Alamax fried chicken with mashed potato and cucumber on the side. This is our brunch for today. Sarap. Homemade fried chicken and mashed potato. Sarap. Sarap sa kanin. Pero may mashed potato na eh. Heavy na yan. Pwedeng wala ng rice. Kain tayo. Busog-lusog na naman.